them up all the way round just to gently turn it off. Now you have to be careful when doing this because you can damage the red insert or the blue insert. You can buy these inserts from Tap Magician if you do damage it. Same as always, firstly we need to remove the handle. This is held in place by a 2mm Allen key, which is located opposite the direction of the handle. Remove or loosen the grub screw, turning it anti-clockwise, and then the handle should be released. Sometimes these are quite difficult to get off, but as long as you've taken out that or loosened off that grub screw, it will come off. Set aside the handle. We then need to remove this covering cap, which just screws anti-clockwise, exposing the cartridge. Then we will need to take the handle off. There is a small grub screw underneath the handle, and it's a 2mm Allen key, and undo that anti-clockwise until the handle becomes loose, and it should just slide off. Like so. First, this is done, there is a screw concealing cap which comes off, revealing a screw. Undo the screw, turning anti-clockwise to remove the screw. And then the handle should pull off, like so. There's also another concealing plate, a concealing ring, sorry, which covers the cartridge.